It has this little control panel. It's meant for Slovenian market, so it's obviously in Slovenian. There is this little welding controller, also in Slovenian at this point. This controls everything that is about welding, and there is this little relay controller that controls that little control panel in front. This is programmable either by a customized program or by C. So I'm going to give a little example how it works. So considering this is resistance welding, it's very safe. It uses the least amount of power of all types of welding. So it's high current, low voltage, so you can even hold it while you're welding. So let's see. See, no problem. There we go. So this is pretty much the product. As you can see, it's welded nicely. This part in particular is used for grinders. This is basically the exoskeleton of the grinder. And conscientiously, we have one here, which is used to remove this welding ring on the top, or some call it welding reef.